students, today is an important lecture. Today we are going to study. Actually, I am going to tell you that how exactly you have to write your paper of class 12th boards, right? Class 12th boards. And on which subject? That is business studies. Business studies, its name in CBSE, and in ICSE or ISC board we call it commerce. It's exactly the same. The syllabus and both of the books are the same. Okay, so the question arises that how we have to write each and every answer, how much limit should be there, and and how to complete your paper within time limit. So the challenges we are having are how to complete within time, how much pages according to the number of questions, right? Then how to present your copy. This is very important. See how to present your copy. Okay, you have not to write and show them the quantity of the question, but your paper should have some quality. Okay, quantity in the sense, if you fill 2-3 copies, doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter, they don't have this much of time कि आप जो है 2-3 कॉपी भरो और 2-3 कॉपी वो आपकी बैठ के चेक कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द क्वालिटी कंटेंट. ओके, we will write it precise, but we will write full, and I guarantee you if you follow these my instructions, you are surely, even if you are a medium type of students, okay, even if you are 75 or 60% type of students, you are going to get 80 plus marks. Okay, now if you are 85 plus or 80 plus percent type of student, you are surely gonna get 94 plus marks. Okay, 94 plus marks sure short if you are going to follow these type of instructions, right? So let's begin. First we will have to see, okay, we have to use our mind. Then now we will have to see what chapters exactly we have to cover and how much marks are these chapter containing. Okay, according to that we are going to focus. Yes, according to this thing we are going to focus that how we have to study which chapter, right? So let's begin. See, the nature and significant management, 16 marks questions, right? Plus principle of management plus business environment. Then chapter 4 and 5 consist of 14 marks. Okay, now that means from chapter 4 and 5 you have to study only the main topics. Okay, these are not so important chapter. The main topics here related to the process. ओके, और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो शायद ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में जो एक अलग चीज़ दी है, आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन दैट. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड हियर. Staffing, directing, controlling, 20 marks, and from these three categories, short number of short questions come. Okay, because you can see 3 chapters, 20 marks, 10. Okay, if you could get 10 of this, then 5 or 8 then essay. Okay, so these 3 chapters are important this way. Now come to the financial management and financial market. See, 15 in total, that means 7.5 and 7.5. okay, marketing management and consumer protection 15, and both 15. Okay, now here the project work 20. Don't worry about the project work, consider is 20 for yourself. Okay, so if you are a mediocre student also, then you are going to get 20, 19, 18. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you that which chapter you have to focus upon. Now we have to thoroughly study, the thorough study we have to do of staffing, controlling, marketing management, because from these chapters short as well as long question comes. Then consumer protection, from consumer protection long questions. Okay, now from this chapter short questions come. Okay, now here in business environment the type of the 5 type of business environment comes in long, otherwise it comes in short. Okay, then from these two chapters generally I guess 12 marks questions come. Okay, ठीक है, तो this much is for the marks allotted to particular type of subject. So if you are having any type of question related to this slide, tell me in comment section below. Okay, so yeah, so now you are looking question paper pattern that will come in the exam. Okay, you will have 20 types of MCQ. I have already told you in previous minute कि MCQ like short type of questions किस में से आएंगे. The number of questions come from marketing management. Okay, now short answer number 1, let's talk. Number of question will be 5, marks allotted is 3, total marks is 15. Now how you have to write short answer number 1, let's discuss about that. Okay, yeah, so we are talking about short answers number 1, that is 5 questions for 3 marks. See, you are having okay, also first let me tell you how to present your paper. How to present your paper. See, this is your worksheet. Make a margin here, make a margin here. Okay, so this margin indicates your clear presentation, that you are doing your work clearly. Okay, also it will save your, it will increase the length of your answer automatically. Okay, because you will draw the margin. So drawing the margin is essential. Then don't forget to write the question and answer numbers here, because this is what because you know the invigilators are in a hurry, so it will make it easy for you to get marks, because they will get impressed from you directly, right? So this is the way to present your answer. Don't राइट लाइक नीचे एकदम जोड़ जोड़ के जुगाड़ के लिख रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं करिएगा. ठीक है, एडजस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको कॉपीज़ मिलेगी, आप पूरा भरपूर इस्तेमाल कीजिए और लिखिए. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. या सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर नंबर 1. दिस इज़ योर कॉपी. यू हैव ड्रॉन द मार्जिन, राइट क्वेश्चन, राइट आंसर. नाउ here in the 3 marks question should not take more than 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes is maximum for these type of questions. Okay, so first thing is 4 minutes is enough. Okay, you try to cover it in 3 minutes only, but 4 minutes is maximum limit. Okay, in 3 marks the length of the answer should be half of the page. Okay, you can exceed it to one full page, but don't do it. Okay, just keep it short till half of the page. Okay, until and unless if question is asking like what do you mean by procedure, then half of page is good. But if it asking explain procedure and rule both, then okay, you can cover it in a whole 1 page. Half page you will write about the procedures, and half page you will tell them about the rules. Okay, then it is good. So 3 marks question should be like that, half a page content or 1 page content, right? This will save you time. Also you have to focus that this much page is required for question number 1, and most important 4 minutes, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. Remember this point, not more than 4 minutes. Okay, now proceed to short answer number 1. short answer number 2, I mean. Yeah, 3 questions will come. Okay, 4 marks, total marks will be 12. Now how to write this type of answer? What you have to do is that make margins. Okay, write question number here and then answer number here, big headings. Okay, like 2 lines heading. You are getting copy, you are having enough number of copies. ठीक है, तो बड़ा हेडिंग डालो कि लोगों को दिखे. ठीक है, बड़ी हेडिंग डालो. 4 मार्क्स का है तो यू कैन कवर अप टू 1 पेज and 1.5. okay, 1 or 1.5. under that you have to cover your answer because it's a 4 marks. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा आता है तो भैया 2 पेज ले लो, पूरा 2 पेज ले लो. ठीक है, अगर उसके ज़्यादा जाओगे, उससे ज़्यादा जाओगे, ठीक है, जैसे 2 मैं कह रही हूँ 3 चले जाओ, चलो 2.5 इज़ स्टिल ओके. ठीक है, चलो चले गए. 2.5 से ज़्यादा गए, 3 पे गए, ठीक है, तो टाइम लैग कर जाएगा दूसरे क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. ओके, also I will say try to use 3 different pens. When I was in so when I was in my board, I was giving when my board exams, I used to get 3 pens. One of black color, okay, then one of the basic blue that everyone is having, and one is stick pen. ठीक है, stick pen, अब if आपको नहीं पता then it is of this color something. okay, purple color, a shade of blue and purple was a stick pen, because when I used to write the answers. okay, then if if any word is important, I used to write that in stick color. ठीक है, तो that highlights the word. ठीक है, examiner mainly focus on that thing only. okay, so yeah, now what you got to know, short answers should be maximum of 2 page or 2.5. then you can take a whole of 8 minutes in this. okay, whole of 8 minutes in this, right? 8 to 10 minutes. okay, 8 to 10 minutes. Try to divide it by yourself. okay, otherwise tell me in the comment section. I will make a separate video on the time limit, how to adjust your time. okay, this video is just for telling you how to write in the exam according to the given type of questions. okay, so long answer 3 questions for 5 marks 15, long 2 6 18. okay, now these two I will tell in one slide only, because from long 1 and long 2 that is given to us, that is given to us, see this is what is given to us, right? Now if you notice, only 3 marks difference is there, ठीक है, which is nothing. So the type of writing answer in this will be the same for you guys. okay, it will be the same. what you have to do is just cover 3 page at least. okay, minimum of 3 page you have to write. ठीक है, 3 to 4 you can go, and if you are having time, try to exceed it to 4.5 page and not more than that. okay, but if you are doing the long answer, you can take it to 5 pages. okay, you can take it to 5 pages, right? so what you got to know, long answers, see, it will happen. okay, it now you if you are thinking कि ऐसे 3 पेज कैसे जाएगा, so let me take an example for you guys. if the question is asking you write the process of planning. okay, now how you have to write again, see, very easy. प्लानिंग का डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे. ठीक है, पहले मीनिंग लिखेंगे प्लानिंग का, फिर एक डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे. आई होप यू गाइज नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मीनिंग एंड डेफिनेशन, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट नो कमेंट में बिलो, आई विल टेल यू. ओके, एक मीनिंग लिखेंगे, एक डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे. ठीक है, प्लानिंग की आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 1 पेज विल बी कवर इन दिस, 1 पेज विल बी कवर. ओके, राइट नाउ फिर बड़ी सी हेडिंग डालेंगे प्रोसेस का. फिर जैसे 5 पॉइंट हैं प्रोसेस में, तो अपन एक फ्लो चार्ट टाइप बना के लिखेंगे, दिस देन एरो दिस एरो दिस एरो दिस एरो, राइट, like this you have to write. Again page number 2 will be covered, right? Now you have covered 2 pages and you have wrote nothing, ठीक है. देन चार्ट बन गया, प्रोसेस का चार्ट बना लिया हमने. अब हम लोग प्रोसेस को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. ओके, नाउ वी विल एक्सप्लेन द प्रोसेस. नाउ अभी इतना तो आपने पढ़ा ही है ना कि कम से कम 2 पेज में तो और एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो, 3 में कर सकते हो. 3 पेज का एक्सप्लेनेशन, 3 पेज का एक्सप्लेनेशन हो गया, एक का प्रोसेस हो गया, एक का ये हो गया, मीनिंग का हो गया, तो 1 + 1 + 3 5 पेज हो गए. अगर इतने एक्सप्लेन नहीं भी कर पा रहे हो तो 2 में तो करोगे यार, 2 तो लग ही जाएंगे, ठीक है. चाहे 3 लाइन लिखो एक पॉइंट में, 2 तो लग ही जाएंगे. तो 2 + 1 + 1 4 हो गए, ठीक है. सीधी सी बात, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही आते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट हाउ टू राइट पेपर. इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स दैट यू हैव टू नोट, आई विल टेल यू once again. मार्जिन बनाना है, ओके. 3 पेन से इस्तेमाल करना, ज़्यादा मत करना, रंगने नहीं है कॉपी, ठीक है. देन पेज लिमिट याद रखना, ठीक है. पेज लिमिट याद रखना. हेडिंग्स को हाईलाइट करना. जैसे कोई भी चीज़ एडवांटेज पूछा है तो उसका फ्लो चार्ट बना के आता है ना, क्योंकि वो पेपर पेज भी कवर करता है और टीचर लोग बोलती हैं ये सब करके आने को, ठीक है. Now if you guys are having any type of query regarding the paper and writing pattern, please let me know in the below comment section, and tell me if you want the video, separate video on any of these particular type of subjects that I have told you. Also we are trying to reach 1K subscribers, so please do not leave without subscribing us. Do like my video and tell us in the comment section that how it goes.